Alright guys, welcome to the Tuesday direction video. Very similar to yesterday. Still looking at extreme weather. This is going to be our last kind of extreme weather we're going to look at, and that's tornadoes. Obviously, we're a little more familiar with tornadoes than we are like typhoons and hurricanes. Um, so, taking that into consideration, I made the assignment a little bit easier than yesterday because I think we know the basics of tornadoes already. So what we're going to do is you guys are just going to watch this video right here and on a separate Google Doc, just list 10 things that you found interesting about the video because there are going to be some cool stories in there, some good visuals, some scary stuff. So just kind of jot down things that kind of stuck out to you. And once you have 10, you're kind of good to go. All right. It's 49 minutes long. Obviously, we're not going to watch all 49 minutes in class. We're probably going to watch about 40 to 35 to 40 minutes of it. So take that into consideration at home. Just need 10 things that you found interesting about the video. Be specific, though, so I know you actually watched the video. So if you're going to give me generic stuff, I'm assuming you're just, like, putting stuff down there. You're not going to get points. Obviously, you get 1 point per item that you jot down. Make sure you're specific. All right? Otherwise, I'm not going to count it. So take that into consideration. Tomorrow, we'll just have a worksheet day. It'll be 3.4. That's going to be our last day. So we come back on Monday. We're going to do the review, and we'll take the quiz on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week for Chapter 3. And we will finish off the unit by watching Twister on Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday. So good luck, people, watching the video. It's a pretty good one. It's better than yesterday's, I would say. And just make sure you get your 10 things in. Get your 10 easy points. All right, obviously missing assignment November 18th, just like always. And get some missing stuff done if you need to. I'll see you guys later.